Okay, no problem. It's not connecting to Facebook. We'll just get started. Hi, everybody. I am Sami Abasad. Welcome to our weekly videos. We're going to be doing what we always do, which is go over the market and then go over some swing ideas for next week. Before I start, as always, standard required disclaimers to let you know that trading is risky and that whatever we discuss is for educational purposes only. Okay. Now, in the link in the description of the video below, there's a link to an open house. We just did an orientation. It starts tomorrow. If you'd like to join us, if you haven't registered already, you need to register by clicking on the link in the description of the video. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take a look at the market first, and then we'll go over some of the swing ideas that I like for tomorrow. First, the market. We can see that the Qs is in a downtrend. That's the Qs. Here's the SPY. The SPY is a bit stronger. And then we have kind of a 2-bar base. It's not a base, but 2 bars, and it's not a 1, 2, 3. So it's very simple for tomorrow. If we break under the base, if we break under the last 2 days, then that should be bearish. Okay, now so it's very, very simple. We take out Friday's low, which is 350, 352 almost on the Qs. We should be lower. Now we take out, you might say, well, when would we be bullish? What if we don't take out the low? Can we be bullish up here if we took out these bars? Maybe, maybe not. It would be safest to wait for this bar to get taken out first, which is about 370.10 on the Qs, which is the Nasdaq, right? So it would be safest to wait for this pivot to get taken out, because that would signal the end of the downtrend. We would have a higher low if we were to go up, of course, and a higher high. Okay, now maybe one can be a little bit aggressive and get bullish already if we just take out Friday's high. I think that would be too aggressive for me. So my bias for tomorrow is gonna most likely be bearish, but I'm gonna wait for this bar's low to get taken out first. So tomorrow we end up gapping or taking this bar out. The last 2 bars, Friday's low is lower than Thursday's, so just go with Friday's low. If that gets taken out, I'm gonna be bearish. That's it, simple as that. Now in terms of the swing ideas, here's what I got. I have the ADGI, which I like over the base. It's a transition A breakout, and then stop just under it. Okay, if we look at the hourly chart real quick, let's go to the hourly. You can see it pretty clearly on the hourly chart. Over 850, stop is about 725, 730. And then target on this, it really has a lot of room, but the target on it would be about, I mean, that's $17, I think. That's huge. Okay, now if you'd like to know which plays I will be taking myself, then join the open house tomorrow and you'll get the newsletter for free for the entire week. Okay, so you'll get that sent to you via email. So that's the ADGI. I'm not taking all of these. I'm taking only 3. I think 2 longs and 1 short. ATI is kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4 play. So you have the initial breakout, that bar, and then 2 narrow range bars, and then if it takes out the highs, long. But it's really called a 1, 2, 3 on the weekly. Oh no, it's not, sorry, the weekly doesn't have a 1, 2, 3, so it's just going to be off the daily. Long right here, stop right here. Okay, on the ATI. CF, the agricultural stocks are very bullish. So CF, MOS, they're going to look identical. They look really good higher, but they don't have an exact pattern on the daily chart. So if you look at the hourly, looks good over the base, stop under it, basically. So the hourly looks better, but they don't have a tight base on the daily chart, but they look higher. DAC, this stock has been on fire. I don't even know what they do, but this is almost like a 1, 2, 3. DAC, wow, it's been on fire. So long over 97.05, stop under 92, and target the all-time high, which is, I don't know what it is, 108.50. So this stock has been, wow, it's been so bullish. That's the DAC. GLW is a 1, 2, 3 on the weekly chart. So long, if it takes out this bar's high, which is 43.20, stop under 41.77. Okay, on the GLW. MDRX is also, it's not exactly 1, 2, 3, but it's a base breakout on the daily chart. So I like it long. If it takes out the base, stop down here to give it more room. And then it's been ripping. I mean, you saw the weekly chart, right? It's been really, really bullish. All-time high, so I don't have a target for it. But basically, above last week's high, stop below it for the MDRX. And then OII. OII is oil. Oil's been very, very bullish, as you all know. It has a base breakout. So long over the base. Stop. One can put it right here. Or, if you want to give it more room, which is advisable, down here. Okay, but I like it as a breakout on the OII. RMED. Okay, RMED is off the hourly chart. It's a base breakout on the hourly chart. This is a little bit aggressive. I don't usually take plays off the hourly, but I like the base. Long over 37 cents. Stop under Friday's low, which is, I think, 32 cents. If you look at the daily, it's down a lot. Finally gapped down a huge amount, 50% or something like this. And so if it takes out this bar's high, a huge volume also, I would be interested. So it's over 37 cents, stop under 33. Okay. Next on list is the SBEV. It's a daily buy setup. It triggered already on Friday, but I didn't do it. So I like it now if it takes out $4, $3.99, let's just say over 4. Stop would go under this bar's low, which is 350, 50 cent stop. And then Tesla, I don't know why I have on list. That wasn't, I don't like it. Shorts, we got the CLVT, which I like a lot. Was a very nice gap on Thursday, and then has a 1, 2, 3. So I like it right here short. Stop right there. 1, 2, 3 on the daily chart. All-time low, I think. So no, oh no, it's not at all-time low. So really has room at least to $12.70 or $13 minimum. And then below that, and then we have room to $10 on the CLVT. Okay, like it a lot. ELMS was a nice gap trade was a very nice gap on Wednesday. Thursday sideways, Friday sideways. Now one can look to do the hourly base breakdown. So under the base short, stop above it. Okay, as a swing. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. And HTZ, Hertz, the car company, car rental, is got a sell setup. So under 1920 short, stop over 2041. And then I don't know what the target is on it. Target 1 would be the prior low, and then target 2 would be the all-time low, around $15 on the HTZ. And then Camper, or KMPR, is an hourly base breakdown after a professional gap down. So short under the base, stop above it. All right. And then last but not least is the SYF, exact same idea. But I like it even more. Under the base, stop above it, short. All right. That's it. That's my watch list for tomorrow. I'm going with 3 items, 1 short, 2 longs. If you'd like to find out which ones they are, again, join the open house for free tomorrow and the whole week next week. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening and